Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try the Naomi Campbell 10 minutes glam. If you know me, you know that I love Naomi Campbell. The first thing I'm going to do is to tone my face. I use a very simple toner to tone my face. Just, you know, it's very important if you're toning your face, always extend it to your neck. My lips look a bit dry, so I'm just going to use Vaseline. After toning my face, the next thing I'm going to do, of course, is to moisturize. If you're on this channel, if you've been watching me, you know this is my moisturizer. Nothing new. I'm not wearing makeup because I don't go out without mask, and I just don't see the need to have my mask dragging my makeup with me. Like, I do not see why I should let that happen. After moisturizing my face, next thing is to use my SPF. This is not what she did. I don't have all those things she used. Of course, SPF is essential. Have you seen the sun in Abuja? My god, that sun, it can boil beans. I was talking to my girl Bibi the other day because I was just complaining. I went out, so I was just talking to her and she was like, Trish, this sun, that day I went out, I was just sweating like I was suffering. So after my SPF, I don't play with my brows. If you know me, you know that I do not play with my brows. After my SPF, I'm just going to darken my brows a little bit, just a little bit, nothing extra, just at the tail side. The next thing I'm going to do is use my mascara. Like, I just used my mascara. Honestly, I've not seen a good place to do like my semi-permanent lashes, so there's nothing I can do. She did highlight her under eyes just a little bit. Just a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do, of course, is to use a powder, so like it doesn't look white. I'm using the finishing powder to reduce the shine on my face. Honestly, I don't want my face shining like that, so I'm just going to use this powder to reduce it. People that see and go like, remove your mask, let me talk to you. Coronavirus, is that you? So I'm going to use this brow stuff, this brow gel, to like make sure my brows are in place. Yeah. So after that, I'm using my clear gloss on my lips. I'm using this clear gloss because I don't want any stain on my mask. So I'm going to spray this glow stuff, just the upper part of my face. The next thing is to wear my mask. Pandemic glam, okay? Please don't forget to wear your mask, guys. Please wear your mask. Anyways, that's it, guys. If you watch up until this place, thank you. You're a real one. Stay safe. I'm going out with this bag. By the way, I have this bag in stock in case you want to get yours.
Shawty all night, so clean, make a man want holla. Anytime I see